Hey y'all, it's me and I'm back here with another video today. If y'all are new to my channel, I'm Nana Lee, and don't forget to subscribe down below, okay? But today is over my review with Boxy charm, and this is my first month getting it, so yeah, I will just be doing a review over the items I got, and everything in this video I will be using, so that I got from them, okay? So I got these Boxy brushes from them. I got lashes. I got a palette. This black glitter pencil, okay? And the last thing was my glitter drops from FX, okay? Of course, I don't have any foundation from them or like contour or anything, so I'll be doing full face over this stuff, and I'm gonna add my own stuff that I don't have, okay? So I already did my eyebrows and concealed them, so I'm gonna just go in with the brushes and do my eyeshadow, okay? Yeah, this palette is really pigmented. I like how it's coming off, transferring onto my skin, and the brushes is soft. It's a good price for $21 for all this. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just take my own little brush and cut my crease real quick. All the shades I'm using is from this palette, okay? Now I'm gonna take this gold right here and just put that on my lid. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna use these same brushes too. I'm gonna just reuse one since only 4 came in there. Okay. Y'all, so far the palette and the brushes, bomb. Okay, let me see what else do I need to use. I'm gonna take the black glitter liner. Let's see. Let me just put that at the top. Y'all, I just did a wing with this. Oh my god, I ain't never did no wing with a pencil. Like, do y'all see this? This glitter pencil, A1. I'm shook right now, real shook. Okay, so now I'ma just I'm gonna do this eye. I'm gonna go in with my drops. I already know this is legit, like my Cover FX, love them. Okay, so I'm gonna put some drops on before and after. Give me a golden look. Okay, so now I'm gonna just get some foundation and put it on. Since I'm using Cover FX glitter drops, I'm gonna just use Cover FX foundation also. Do my regular routine contour. Y'all, after applying that, everything is just going on so smooth and my face is so glittery. I look glossy. Like, I like it. I think I'm gonna use this more often. Okay, I'm gonna take the brush from this box and the same palette, and I'm going with the poppy color, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. Okay, I'm gonna just grab some regular mascara and throw some on. Now in with the last thing from the box. It's the lashes, okay. Okay, y'all, so I got so much glitter on, I don't even have to put that much highlight. Like, you can already see it. So I'm gonna just take a tiny drop and just put it there. Put it there. There, y'all. In the same brush from this box. I'm trying to stay within this box, okay? And I'm gonna just, the same one I took for this glitter up here. I should have used this for the glitter, but I'm gonna just dab that on in there. Here's the end result. I didn't even put no lip gloss on yet. Like, you know, I'm gonna use this Cover FX for some. Like, I'm just so glittery. Like, why not be glittery? I look like, I like it, y'all. Who doesn't want a glittery face? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, if y'all want different looks with this new Boxy charm I got, let me know. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.